to build a safe, high-efficient, and seamless modern logistics system is a worldwide goal. China's logistics industry develops with a high speed, but is still in a relatively low level. Due to the low level of information technology and information standardization in the logistics industry, and the information asymmetry between vehicle and goods, which further results in the information resources isolation, there is a crying need for a uniformed and effective public information platform for online sharing. The MOT of China led the establishment of National Public Information Platform for Transportation and Logistics, logging. Reconstruct traditional transportation with modern logistic idea. Improve transportation and logistics enterprises with modern information technology. And increase new power for economic transition. It is a useful exploration to promote the structural reform of the supply side, a real practice of the government to take the initiative to change its functions, and to an innovative governance model. LogInc is dedicated to the construction of Logistics Information Exchange Center and Data Center. It provides three basic services, creates a standard system of logistics information sharing, offers official language for communications from each side of logistics chain, constructs a basic exchange network for logistics information sharing and interconnection to provide a highway of interconnection for all sides in the logistics chain. It both gathers and shares information of those public logistics nodes, such as government, logistic parks, railways, airports, ports, etc., to open one-stop window of logistics information services. Based on the three basic services, LogInc has incubated a series of LogInc Plus applications with its partners. By cooperating with software developers to develop logistics management software applications, which drives the development of national mainstream logistics management software. It can support the standard interconnection interface for LogInc, reduce the difficulty of information system interconnection. Currently, LogInc has completed standardization certification for 52 logistics management software, covering 70% of main transportation management systems in China, which can cut down the circle of enterprise systems intercommunication from 8 months to 1 week, and speed up the progress of informationization and standardization for 3 to 5 years. The cooperation of LogInc Plus upstream and downstream supply chain application with manufacturing and trade industry impels the interconnection for each side of supply chain, increases the synergy efficiency of supply chain, and decreases the logistics costs. Currently, more than 50 major enterprises, such as Xinhua Bookstore and Costco Logistics, have got interconnection with logistics systems of their associated companies via LogInc and achieve high-efficient collaboration. For example, with the interconnection of LogInc, Huadong Medicine Company Limited has improved its logistics efficiency by 80%, shortened logistics information processing time by 95%, and streamlined the logistics cycle by 3%. By cooperating with marketing information service providers to develop LogInc Plus products applications, can offer the products with rich logistics information. At present, based on LogInc, service providers release more than 10 value-added products such as supply chain collaboration, cross-border e-commerce, logistics resources, freight factoring, container booking, public container release, collection of trade charges, Park All Pass, and interconnection of integrity, etc., and gradually a LogInc value-added type of service ecology is formed. By cooperating with various modes of transport to develop LogInc plus multimodal transport interconnection applications, encourages the development of multimodal transportation. Along with Shanghai Rail Bureau, China Travel Sky, and Costco Shipping, Loginc has carried out pilot programs for logistics information interconnection within different transport modes, like rail water, railroad, road air, and road water. Meanwhile, it achieves the public information opening and sharing between 91 logistics parks nationwide, 26 ports within China, Japan, and Korea, all railway logistics nodes in China, airway logistics nodes and customs in Zhejiang, national inspection and other relevant management departments. Loginc has a collection of 180,000 ships' real-time location data worldwide, as well as over 300,000 trucks nationwide. Also, Loginc signed the Strategic Cooperation Agreement with CargoSmart, one of the world's 3 largest shipping platforms, realizing dynamic data interconnections of more than 90% of the world's container ships. By cooperating with related industry management departments to develop Loginc plus industry management applications, Loginc helps to strengthen social management, makes government surveillance and service more accurate and effective. Through Loginc, drug administration departments carry out food and drug transport quality and safety supervision. Road transport administration departments implement the real name system on freight and freight consignor and conduct supervision of dangerous goods transport. In Zhejiang province, ever since the implementation of electronic route pass document for dangerous goods transport in 2011, the accidents of dangerous goods transport decreased by 28.6%. The death toll decreased by 41%. To illustrate visually, Loginc, as the basic platform for all kinds of logistics information applications, is the foundation of platforms. Now, there are up to 45,000 enterprises whose service are provided by Ecosystem, which is supported by Loginc. Among these enterprises, 28 are manufacturing, 17% are trade and business, 55% are transportation and warehousing. The daily information exchange is reaching up to 20 million messages, involving 26 scenarios of business collaboration. The annual goods value of logistics service is 1.35 trillion. The external cooperation for Loginc is continually deepening and expanding, according to the mechanism designed by China, Japan, Korea Ministerial Conference on Transport and Logistics. Loginc of China, Collins of Japan, and SP-IDC of Korea set up the Northeast Asia Logistics Information Service Network, NEILNet. It has achieved information sharing of 26 ports among CJK. At the same time, Loginc actively develops the cooperation of logistics interconnection sharing with ASEAN and EU to provide logistics information support for the national strategy of Belt and Road. According to mid to long-term plan for logistics development of State Council, Loginc will be an electronic hub for national logistics information exchange and sharing, a one-stop window for government to open logistics-related information, and also a Chinese platform for global logistics information sharing. Have an extensive future, far-reaching significance. Access to Loginc. Connect the world.